Hi, in this video we are going to talk about sort in Java. In Java, sorting is implemented in two classes. One is arrays class and collections class. And this is similar to other algorithmic functions like binary search. Binary search is also present in both the classes. So arrays class has sort implementation for normal arrays and collections class has sort implementation for collections. Now which collections allow sorting? The collections which are list interface implementing classes like array list, linked list, vector. So we can use collections.sort for all the classes which implement list interface. Now when you talk about sort function in arrays class, there are two types of arrays in the arrays class, arrays of primitives and arrays of non-primitives. Arrays of primitives are arrays of int, char, and the other arrays are arrays of objects like string, integer, student, where student is your user defined class. Please note that collections are there only for non-primitives. So array list and linked list, they cannot be made of int, char types. We can make an array list or linked list only for non-primitive types like string, integer, student. So when you are sorting an array of non-primitives, it is preferred to have a stable sorting algorithm. Let's understand stability with an example and importance of it when you are sorting an array of objects. Let's say we have this array of objects where this array has members and every member has two fields, branch of the student and enrollment number of the student. So this array is currently sorted according to all roll numbers, and this array is say all student data at one place. Now you want to segregate these students according to branches. So you sort this array according to branch, right? CS students should come together, EC students should come together. Now when you are sorting this array, one possible sorting is you just randomly put CS students together without following the original order. Your original array is sorting out according to roll numbers. So you don't care about the original order. Say you put CS104, then CS101, or you rearrange the EC students together. But you just do the sorting, the required sorting, which is sorting according to branch. This is unstable. And here is an example of a stable sorting algorithm. What stable sorting algorithm does, it puts CS students together, and together with this thing, it also ensures that original order of two CS students is retained. If one CS student was earlier in the original order, then it remains earlier in the sorted. So CS101 should come first, then CS104. EC102 should come first among all the sorted ECE students. So we have two ECE students, so 102 comes first and then 107. This is stable sorting algorithm. So Java's idea is this: if you have primitives, int, char, long type, right, these types, then stability is not required. It's obvious, right? I mean, if you have two integers, 10 and 10, you can put any 10 first, right? It doesn't matter because they don't represent any object. But when you have non-primitives, then stability might be needed. So Java has a simple rule. They use a stable algorithm when an array of objects is sorted, array of non-primitives is sorted, and they use unstable algorithm, which is slightly faster because it doesn't guarantee stability for primitive types. And the algorithm that is used for primitive types is dual pivot quicksort. Please note that I am mentioning this dual pivot quicksort because it is mentioned on Oracle documentation pages, and these are mentioned as of July 2020, and they may change the implementation later if better self-sorting algorithms come up. So they use this algorithm for primitives, and this is slightly faster because this algorithm does not have to guarantee stability. And for non-primitives, they use an algorithm which is based on merge sort. And this algorithm is adaptation of timsort algorithm. Timsort is an algorithm which is used in Python sort functions. So this merge sort based algorithm ensures stability. You know, right? Quicksort by default does not ensure stability, and merge sort ensures stability. So they use merge sort based algorithm for non-primitives, whether it is collection. So the same algorithm is used for collections because they are only for non-primitive types. And for arrays of primitives, they use dual pivot quicksort, which is slightly faster. So we have introduced sorting in Java here. We have talked about stability. In the upcoming videos, we'll do examples on sorting.